Martin Luther King Jr. was born on January 15, 1929. Dr. Martin Luther King was a great leader. His dad was a pastor and his mom was a teacher. He was the youngest person to win the Nobel Peace Prize in 1964. In his speech, he told about his dream. Dr. King worked very hard to make people realize that all men are created equal. Martin Luther King Jr. changed the world to a better place. MLK said the time is always right to do what is right. MLK was Time Man of the Year. Mom taught him how to read before he went to school, and he skipped 9th and 12th grade because he was too smart. And Dr. King's birthday was celebrated in the term Monday in January. He went to college at 15, and he graduated from Boston University. Dr. King wanted everyone to be treated fairly.